like a borrowed dress. Smile at the table, say I've been blessed. There's a picture framed by the bedroom light, but your shadow's the one that holds me at night. I chose the road that was safe and warm, while your love came wild like a summer storm. Now the years move slow through these painted walls, and every quiet moment still carries your call. Tell me why your memory burns like a page that never turns. Why can't I get over the love I never got to keep? Why does your voice still find me in the silence when I sleep? I built a life, I wear a ring, still my heart pours back to you. How can something unfinished feel more real than something true? He's a good man, kind in every way, but love shouldn't feel rehearsed every day. I laugh on cue, I play my part while your name beats underneath my heart. Sometimes I drive past the old cafe just to feel those ghosts again. Wonder if you still think of me, or if I'm only a chapter you don't reread. Tell me why time moves on, but this ache keeps holding on. Why can't I get over the love I never got to keep? Why does your memory wake me from the middle of my sleep? I said forever to someone else, but part of me stayed with you. How can something broken still feel this beautiful? Maybe it's the words we never said. Maybe it's the life we never lived. Oh, maybe some hearts never really choose, they just learn to live through. So I fold these feelings quietly away beside the vows I'll never break. But somewhere under all this gold lives a love that never grew